Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, at the first you have to open your calendar. So it will be probably in the tools folder in the most cases. And there is not here, so am I just blind or something? Okay, it will be here, right? In the Google folder. Okay, it's good. It's Google Calendar. So yeah, open the Google folder, and here it is. So click here, then tap that we got it. For example, we can go right here, and we can set on the 1st January. So click here on the right corner, then select event. At the first, we can add the title, but we can also set up other things. For example, we can add a notification, location, description, we can add people, we can send the reminder, we can change even the time zone. So there's a lot of things that we can customize. But if you finish, you have to click on the right upper corner on the save, and as you can see here we got our event. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!